Hearts with the children's ministry joyfully and prayerfully endorse these graduates into the youth ministry. This is not a goodbye, but a blessing of continuation. We believe God will do even greater things in their lives as they step into this new chapter. We pass on the torch of guidance and discipleship to a youth ministry, trusting that they will be nurtured, challenged, and empowered to become warriors of faith.
Amen. Warriors of faith.
Turns to the youth leader and graduates, to the youth ministry. We entrust these young hearts to your care. May they find belonging, growth, and purpose as they now walk this path with you. To our graduates, we are so proud of you. Keep seeking God with all your heart. Your journey doesn't end here. It's only just beginning. Amen. And with open arms and joyful hearts, our graduates, we welcome you to the youth ministry. Here you will continue to grow in worship, in fellowship, and in leadership. You are no longer just learners, but young leaders in faith. So let's